Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this episode we will change oil and filters for Volkswagen Golf Mark II with engine 1.6 PN. First of all, you have to find place for safe and comfortable oil drainage. For this purpose, I have chosen old overpass. Make sure that you have oil filter removal tool and wrench for oil plug. If engine is cold, warm it up before oil drainage. Before work, make sure that engine is turned off, and car safely positioned. Check your oil level and condition after few minutes after engine stop, as warm oil settles down. Place large bucket or basin under oiled drainage plug and carefully unscrew plug with appropriate wrench. While unscrewing drain plug, hot oil will start to leak. Be careful and try to avoid oil leakage outside drained oil tray. For faster drain, you can unscrew oil filling cap. Take your oil filter removing tool and get loose old oil filter. Drain oil from old filter in tray, and dispose everything safely for environment. Or sell it to someone. As old oil have drained, clean drain hole. Before placing drain plug back, it is recommended to replace copper seal. Place clean drain plug with new copper seal in, and tight it carefully with appropriate wrench to avoid thread damage. Otherwise you will have some problems. Clean place where new oil filter will be placed on. It is always useful to inspect your new filter and read instructions on it. From my experience, not all enthusiasts or even mechanics read instructions, and know about lubricating sealing ring on oil filter. Otherwise, you will have great physical and emotional workout during next filter change. Make sure that your new filter and hands are not slippery. Screw filter on and tighten it only with your hand. Add fresh motor oil, but not all required amount. Add 1 liter less than manual requires. For 1.6 PN engine I use good quality 10W40 all-season oil, only from sealed package. Check your dipstick and make sure that you have done all correct. If everything is okay, add little oil amounts to reach optimal level. For beginning, add oil to maximum level. Don't forget to place back and secure oil filling cap. Before and after starting the engine, check drain plug and oil filter for leaks. If there is any leak, carefully tighten connection. Now you can start engine, and let it work, while you are picking up your tools and other things. After few minutes, stop engine, wait oil to drain down, and check level. Add oil until you reach optimal level. Optimal oil level is 3/4 of dipstick's measuring range. If your engine leaks badly or it consumes oil like petrol, then you should fill it up to maximum. Finally, replace your air filter. Clean engine from dust with compressed air. Always use eye protection. Using your precious 10mm socket, unscrew fixing nut. Carefully disconnect all hoses and fuel lines from air filter holder. It's good to check vacuum hoses for cracks, because it can cause engine work unstable. Unclip all fixings. carefully remove air filter holder and old filter itself. You should change your air filter, depending on road conditions, and filter dirtiness. I change it every year, as I change motor filter and oil. If your air filter is not so dirty, or in case of emergency, you can blow it with compressed air, before putting it back. It is necessary to clean air filter housing from dust, insects or any other unidentified objects. Also, it is good opportunity to check your carburetor and clean it. Correctly place new, or cleaned air filter into housing. Connect all hoses, secure clips, and tighten nut, in reverse order, as removing air filter before. As you can see, you can do it, even with one hand. Congratulations! Your 1.6 PN engine now can safely run for another year.